Elephant and Friends, a short story. Once upon a time, there lived an elephant. He was wandering in the forest to make new friends. He went to a monkey and asked him to be his friend. The monkey said to the elephant, "You are too big to be my friend. You cannot swing with me from branch to branch." The elephant met with a rabbit and asked him to be his friend. Then the rabbit said, "You are too big to play with me in my burrow." After a while, the elephant met with a frog and asked him to be his friend. The frog also said, "You are too big to be my friend and you cannot jump like me." The next day, the elephant saw all the animals were running in fear. So the elephant asked a bear what was happening. The bear said a tiger was attacking all animals. The elephant wanted to save his friends and went to the tiger and said the tiger to leave his friends. The tiger didn't listen to the elephant and told him to mind his own business. As there was no way left, the elephant kicked the tiger away and saved his friends from the tiger. Seeing this act of bravery of the elephant, the other animals said to the elephant, "You are just the right size to be our friend." Moral: friends come in all shape and sizes. Thank you for watching.